Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to Mav's Hobby Shop. And today, review natin itong SR4 series ng SRC na Sportline. So, Sportline kasi sobrang gaan niya guys, no? So, almost all polymer parts to, no? Siguro ang metal dito sa flash hider and then yung barrel, yung mga nuts, and yung mga sights. Charging handle, itong plate. Most parts nito guys is all polymer, so sobrang gaan niya. Non-working yung charging handle and yung bolt cut. So ang adjustment niya is here, rotary style, no, increase and decrease, hop up, going up and down. So pwede mo isa yan. Kahit yung kanyang dust cover is polymer. Ang kanyang magazine is a high cap SRC magazine na polymer as well. Maybe around 270 up to 320 rounds na high cap to. And then some of the features, aesthetic features is yung, of course, yung fire selector and yung SRC na logo nila. Tapos yung grip niya is naka-curve na yung for the fingers and yung thumb. Crane stock, hindi not unlike other parts, no. Hinahatak na ito para malabas siya. Dito lang gagawin is kukurutin mo lang to. Kukurutin mo lang to. Itong gilid. And then ito, lalabas na yung kanyang Tamiya plug na saksakan. So of course, ang kailangan natin battery is yung Tamiya ready na plug. So pasok natin yung sa gilid. Then connect natin siya. Then, solo na lang natin. So, wala na siya. Yeah. So, hindi ko na sila natuluyan kasi tanggalin na namin siya mamaya. Ipikatin ni reeling siya sa kanyang polymer na hand grip. And then, yung swing dito sa kanyang taas. So, yung other part, pwede mong ilagay dito if ever na gusto mo. Tatali mo lang naman siya. Then, high cap, of course. Lagyan natin ng, or sasalukan natin ng BBs. Gamihan na natin para mabilis ang pag-akyat. At hindi kamot ng kamot. So, sarado mo lang yung trapdoor. Kamot. So, hindi na tumutunog. Nakangat yung bibis, pasok, kamot, ulit. So, firing, semi. Firing full auto. Na, apat. Tama. So, mag-double check pa rin ng chamber. Mag-fire pa rin ng 3 to 4. Yeah. So yun guys, thank you for watching again our review of this SR4 Sportline na M4. If ever may questions kayo regarding our units, our page, or anything else regarding equipments and upgrades, parts, huwag kayong mahiya mag-chat sa Mav's Hobby PH. And of course, ang usual natin time is 9 AM to 8 PM. Ang ating gunsmith time is 3 PM. Ang podcast is every 7 PM every Wednesdays or Thursdays, or depending on the weeks. That will come. Yun lang guys. Thank you so much. Keep safe, enjoy the game, and peace.